General Education Materials with Rationalization, Part 5. Click follow before we start. A ball is thrown at random from a box containing 6 red balls, 4 white balls, and 5 blue balls. Find the probability that it is blue. A. 1/3, B. 2/5, C. 4/15, and lastly 4/5. Or letter D, 4/5. So first, we have to use this formula, which is probability is equal to number of possible outcomes over total possible outcomes. So ano ba na ilalagay natin dun sa number of possible outcomes? Since ang hinahanap lang naman is yung probability na lalabas is si blue, as we can see on the given or in the problem, 5 yung blue. So 5 ang ilalagay natin doon sa number of possible outcomes kasi 5 yung blue eh. And then sa total possible outcomes, ilalagay natin lahat, which is pag-a-add din natin yung red, yung white, and blue balls. So 6 plus 4 plus 5. Therefore, P is equal to 5 over 6 plus 4 plus 5. And kapag kinumpute natin yung denominator, P is equal to 5 over 15. But we have to simplify kasi kaya pa siyang masimplify eh. Okay, since divisible sila pareho by 5, i-divide natin sila both side or si numerator and si denominator kay 5. 5 divide 5 is 1. 15 divide 5 is 3. Therefore, the answer is 1/3. Our answer is letter A.